Hey, how's it going? My name is Sean O'Shea. I'm the president of Majestyk Apps. We started working with Planned Parenthood in early 2019 and are still presently working with them today. We were brought in to really build out their mobile DevOps processes and select the right tool sets and really implement this for one of their initial products. The overall scope of it was to build out a full, robust game plan and documentation for how their continuous integration and continuous deployment processes should be put in place for this specific iOS and Android app, as well as any future products. So that was the first phase, which is a lot of documentation and reviewing how they build their products. And then from there, it was onboarding their first team to the process and us setting up the actual process in terms of implementing our tool set, which is a list of different third parties that we use for different things, like basically security analysis, automated testing, testing on devices on a device farm, things of that nature. And then once we set all that up, it was really just showing the team how to utilize this and really getting some buy-in from the team. Initially, they're a little bit concerned about how these new processes were going to affect their workflow. And at the end of the day, the end result was really we were able to speed up their development time and their bi-weekly sprints by, I would say, about 10 to 20 hours for the developer that was creating releases. So instead of having them creating releases manually, we're doing it using the system that we set up for them. And this allowed us to really make the overall process a lot more secure, standardized, really not tied to one person who can basically build the app. So what I mean by that is if that person's sick for weeks and weeks and weeks and no one else knows how to go through the process, that's a problem. So by making a universal process where anyone on the team can do it, that is a big win. So that was done. Now that we've really been working with them for this extended period of time, providing really mobile DevOps, this high-level technical consulting, some coding when needed, we are being brought into one of their team's products in order to roll out this process to another product that's already in the App Store. So this just shows that the proof's in the pudding that our processes and what we've implemented is working as a whole, and it's providing benefits overall for the developers' day-to-day workflow, as well as peace of mind to the executive team and C-suite that didn't really have full insight into how builds are being released and how secure they were and things of that nature, where now they know that better practices and tools are being promoted and used so they can really sit back and not have to worry anymore.